welcome to the shop. Thomas here. Another HackerBox MCU Lab, HackerBox 0051. If I remember right, MCU is microcontroller unit, I think. I can't remember now. But I think that's what it is, because if you look at the other side of the box, you have, looks like x-rays of little modules and stuff. So let's see what we got here. Yeah, we got some snappity snap stuff. Hey, what's this? Remove before flight. That's funny. All right, what do we got here? A bunch of parts, header pins. This is just a straight up parts bag. Okay, resistors. Interesting. Can it focus? There we go. I think that's RS, what, 232? Unfortunately, I did an unboxing and my my camera locked up. It's never happened before, so I don't know what's going on. But unfortunately, I already unboxed everything and took everything out. So I'm just gonna kind of go through everything again, and you know, we got a small 0.96 OLED. Arduino Nano, I didn't bother to take that out. A TTL. ESP32. And I'm not sure which one this one is. There's nothing on it. Looks like a bigger Nano. I think this is a voltage regulator. We got jumpers. We got a couple parts packs, and there's, you know, resistors, headers. Looks like an RS 232, PS2, and then some more. We got a potentiometer, some surface mounted switches, LEDs, dip switches, and a couple one surface mounted RGB, it looks like. And there might be a MOSFET in there too. I can't quite tell. And of course, we got a remove before flight. And then we got the actual board, which is actually quite a large board. I've actually wanted one of these for a while, so this is pretty cool. And a couple little tiny breadboards that will stick right on top of that. So this should be really fun to play with. And then we got two stickers. Can't have too many stickers. And it's funny too, because I just got this, and it's International New York HackerCon. It's actually in Orlando, Florida, but it was yesterday. It ended yesterday, or 2 days ago actually. Today's the 5th. Oh well, wasn't really gonna go anyways. But yeah, that's a pretty good haul, and I apologize for how it came out. I don't know what happened to my camera, so hopefully it doesn't happen again. See you next time.